What are some key steps to consider when establishing a project timeline? Obviously, building a great team is somewhere in that list. Is there also a mindset required for effectively managing project timelines?
Flexibility would be like the key mindset, knowing all timelines change. But I think for a CEO who's in a building, who's moving, let's say we're doubling in space again, knowing when you have to be out and then knowing when your next building will be ready and figuring out the overlap that's needed to move from one building to the other, that's the real magic, because you can't move to a building that's not ready and you can't move out on the 30th and be in on the 1st, right? It just doesn't work that way. And so oftentimes you'll need a month to 6 months. Maybe some heavy manufacturers overlap for a year. And so when you think of what does it take to move from one building to another, and then to work on and layer those timelines, then that can help you understand how far in advance do you need to plan. And the average that you can start with by default is a year. And so if it takes a month or two to figure out and design what you'll need, and a month or two to find and contract for what it is for your lease contract, and then a month or two for negotiations or any design with contractors, and then another month or two for construction, and a month or two for overlap. That's a great first place to start, and then to fine tune from there.